Hi everyone, welcome to my presentation of the test of gross motor development. Thank you for being here. My name is Diana Lizeth Calderon Beltran. I am technologist in physical activity from SENA and currently an advanced student in my seventh semester of the Bachelor in Physical Education at the Pontificia Universidad Javeriana. My unique area of expertise is the intersection of physical education and dance, highlighted by my certification in modules 1 or 2 of the Baganova method, received from master teacher Maria Alejandra Muñoz. This breakout directly enforced my currently research focus the design of measuring instruments for motor evaluation, specifically concentrating of gross motor development and the fundamental skills in dancers. How do you conduct an effective assessment of motor development in childhood? Understand it, its importance is vital as gross motor skill affect learning and social participation. That's why today we're exploring the Tgmd 3, the reference test developed by Dr. Ulrich and Dr. Webster. It is the key test for identification and instructional programming in children aged 3 to 10 years. The Tgmd3 boasts high validity and reliability, which is crucial. Its normative data is current and representative of US population. Additionally, the Tgmd is considered a tool that is generally reliably valid, and its benefit may extend through one lifespan. Despite this, a key challenge is subjectivity in rather judgments. The Sports Medicine and Health Science article notes that because scoring criteria are not based on clear cut-off values, a single subjective decision can affect results. Next, let's look at subtest 1, locomotor skills. This subscale measures the quality of movement execution in 6 key abilities. The general goal is to assess step, sequence, and dynamic balance. Running evaluates alternating support and C-flat fades. Gallop observes forward action with one leading foot and asymmetrical rhythm. Hopping measures C push-off and landing using only one foot, maintain balance. Leaping observes C jump from one foot and landing on C opposite foot covering this distance. Sliding evaluates sided movement using a step, a close action with not fat face. And skipping measures C rhythmic alternation of a step and a hop on C same foot. Moving on, subtest 2 is ball skills, which measures 7 abilities related to object manipulation. The goal here is oculomanual coordination and weight transfer. Overhand through measures weight transfer and turn rotation. In quicking, evaluate C going up in steps contact and follow through. Caching, observe hands position to absorb C objects for with C earth. Striking and stationary ball measures weight transfer and contact with C hitting surface. Dribbling evaluates pushing C ball downward with C fingertips, striking a boss ball with C forearm, observe C forearm position and object control, and striking with C hand, evaluate C applied force and arm extension. The testing procedure is one of direct individual observation, where movement is scored based in 3 of 5 performance criteria. A1 is assigned for presence of the criterion or 0 for its absence. The evaluation is then performed by combine the scalar scores for the gross motor composite, converting the total score into a normative percentile and age equivalent. The Tmgd chart demonstrates how essential it is to support motor development measure process because ultimately motor skills development and are used through life. Following this line of rigor, my thesis work is focused in building a battery to contribute to the measurement of motor development specifically in child dancers. Knowing and applying tools like the Tmgd is fundamental for clinical practice and research. To conclude, I would like to emphasize that the rigor of this work is built upon extensive research. On this slide, can find the comprehensive list of reference used. These include foundational works on Tmgd3 as well as multiple recent articles that validate and explore psychometric properties. This list also includes the key complementary discussing the practical challenge of scored subjective, which was a critical point in my analysis. Finally, my own ongoing research, my undergraduate thesis at the Pontificia Universidad Javeriana on measuring motor development in dancers guides the application of these principles. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any inquiries or wish to discuss my research on design of instruments for dancers, can you contact me directly? My email available is Diana with double N dash Calderon at javeriana.edu.com.